In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the folded neckline. This is the collar. I fold it to the wrong side. Then I pick up one stitch here. Then I put it together with my first stitch. And I knit them both together. I do the same for the second stitch. I pick up one stitch here at the base of the neckline, and then I put it together with the next stitch and knit them both together. Then I just bind this stitch off like what I normally do, and so on. So for the third one, again I will have to pick up one stitch from here, put it on my needle, knit them both together, bind them off, and so on all the way around the neckline.